Woo! Come on. Come on, let's go. Slow this bitch down. Give me that towel. Woo! Wait, am I? Welcome back to another teardown video. Looks like we're in teardown again. Okay. We have something new that arrived. So, let's see what this is. I have a way of breaking metal now. I can finally break metal. Let's go! Stop being on fire. I died. So I downloaded mods. Oh shit! Not turning that on again. Today we're gonna be checking out what Tracy wants, which I think is my mother, according to last video. I think they turned off the gas. I can't even make a proper coffee anymore. We really need to bring in more clients. Don't make this like last video, found it.
What a morning.
Don't make it like I'm already messing up. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. Okay. Thanks for helping me out with that building. Anytime. The police were snooping around a little, but it seems to have cooled off now and we can finally start construction. I can actually have another job for you. See? I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for them. God fucking okay. Ignore my stuttering issues. I'm kind of let's just start the fucking mission. Okay. West Point Marina. Okay. All right, I'm gonna make a promise. I am not, and I repeat, not going to use any of these mods. Understand? Just no. Piano fall, like. I'm sorry. I am not, and I repeat, not going to use any of these mods. That is the only mod that I would. Let's just stick with the sledgehammer, shall we? Is there a timer? Doesn't look like it. Let's get all the targets, all targets. So one in there, one down there, and one all the way over there. Okay. We can use boats to get us places quicker. All right, let's prep. Oh, I have to dump it into the water? Huh. I have an idea. I got a master fucking plan. See this bitch right here? Oh, beautiful. Oh, fuck. We could just create a hole in the floor and drop that bitch right in there. Okay. Just got all this shit out the way. Come on, fat ass. Oh, holy shit. Oh. Get. All right. Okay, now we're just gonna. Oh. Fuck. That was the fucking seat of the vehicle. Goddamn. God damn, this shit's heavy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bitch. Come on. Come on. I have an idea. Okay, easy. Okay, easy. Easy. Fuck. No. Okay. Steady. And whoa. There goes our first objective. Come on. Oh, that's the strat. That's the strat. Bob bang. Damn, that vehicle's destroyed. Okay. I'm here, bitches! God damn. Oh, I gotta take this bitch into the water. Oh, I see, I see. No, not take myself in the water fountain. God fuck. Boom. Boom. Oh. Yep, looks good to me. I'm dragging the duck. What the fuck? And we're out of there. Should we go for another one? I say we should go for another one. Oh. Why am I on my roof? Oh, I was fixing this. Oh, because it's raining. Oh, I see. Okay. New tool. Oh, yay, new tool. Hopefully it's the shotgun. I love this fucking game. Holy shit! Why am I still doing? Why are they exploding? The pianos are still coming down. One piano at a time. You never know their next move. They could come from anywhere. You never know what they're gonna next strike. Let's see what we got. Okay, Gordon Liu. Fantastic work at the marina. Looks like it worked because they just cleared a construction permit for the new dock. Okay. Another thing came up. There was the classic car. There was this classic car auction up in Black River the other day, and one guy just kept overbidding me. Lawrence Lee Jr., that youngster who inherited the chemical plant a few years ago. Can you help me acquire these 2 gems? I'll take good care of them. Alright. Classic cars. Oh, I gotta steal cars. Okay. Is there like a button or something to open it? Yeah. Uh-oh. Wired alarm boxes. So would so these are the papers. Okay. So let's just go grab the papers right now and then quick save, and then we could go for the cars. This is, I think there's a boat on there, or I mean a car on the boat. Car right here. Is that a crane? I think that's a crane. Okay, she's nice and lined up. So all I gotta do is drive that puppy right over there. So we'll do that at the end. Quick save. See what next. Okay, I'm gonna have to drive this car all the way along here. All the way along here. All the way through all these gates into there. Alright, I know what to do now. Right here. Do not damage. the truck whatsoever. Hold on. I want to grab those papers up there real quick. They in here. God motherfucking damn it. I forgot to quick fucking God damn it, now I gotta go all the fucking way back. Redo all that Hold on. Just quick jump back to where I was. Quick save. Just in case. Fuck, what about the papers? The mini boat right here. I'm just gonna take this. Hold on. Okay, if I go downstairs and I just run into the house, can I jump and reach that? Yes, I can. Just grab. Boom, grab. Oh, god damn it. Boom, jump. No need for jumping, that wastes time. Grab. Have a vehicle. Vehicle. Okay. And then this one will be to get to the house. Yes, okay. Because what we're going to do, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, what we're going to do is start over here. Grab those. Boom, run. This is going to be off the truck. We're going to drive super fast all the way. Boom, go over here, run over here, jump in here. Then we're going to run over here, jump out of there, grab that real quick, then run back into this car, dump that car, grab this car, boom, and then get into the truck. Mission done. Let's see if we can do it. Let's just go. Bad start, but it's okay. Oh, horrible fucking start. What am I? Damn it. Go. And I'm fucking stuck. God damn it. Ready? And go. Fuck, I just wasted a fuck ton of time. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, we're making okay time. Okay time. Fuck! Oh, I'm shit. I'm fucked. It's okay. It's okay. Why did I park all the way over here? It's okay. It's all good. We're still fine. Just run. Just fucking run. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to get that. I'm not gonna make this. I'm not gonna fucking make it. Yeah, no, I'm not making that. Whew, we gotta really hurry on this. Go. Okay, good time. Okay. Doing okay. Come on. Okay. Better than last time. I should probably back this up. Yeah, I should definitely probably do that. Way better than last time. We might actually make it. We might make it. Give me that. Okay, run. Come on. Get in this truck. We're not gonna make it. I think it's the truck that's the problem. This is a hard one. Go. Bad start, bad start. All good, all good. Not all good.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
What? Fuck. Wait, please. Thank God! Holy shit, let's go. Oh! Fuck, I have an idea, I have an idea, I have an idea, I have an idea, I have a motherfucking idea. Ugh. Finally got rid of that wall.
Ooh, you use explosives.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. Okay. Fumble that truck, because we don't need it. Get this van. Alright. It's a lot shorter of a run. And we should be good. Go. Fuck. Drive that right in. Get in this motherfucker. Get out of that motherfucker. Why'd I get out so early? Okay, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this, we can do it, we can do it, we can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This one. Doesn't matter. Plenty of time. Let's go! Mission well done. Well done. Thank you guys so much again for watching another one of my teardown videos. If you did enjoy, please like, subscribe, turn on that bell, do all that YouTuber shit. You know, I really enjoy making these videos. They're really fun. Like this game, Teardown's so fucking fun. And yeah, that's really all I have to say. See you guys, another video. I'm let the replay finish and get out of your way so you can watch.